I think my role is the best because you get to see so many moving parts of the whole, whether that's cold calling, recruiting, financial advising, or just the departments that we work with, such as transitions, marketing, or anybody else involved. There's so many different ways you could take your path, and there's many different opportunities to see how others work. My name is Blake Limegruber. I work for the Advisor Choice Consulting Team, also known as RJFS Recruiting, as an analyst. I started at Raymond James in the summer of 2024 as an intern, and then full-time in the summer of 2025. My job matters to me because I like being the person that somebody comes to when things are being slow, confusing, or hard to understand, and then turning them into something reliable, clean, and good for the whole process. When my parents ask about my job, I say that I'm the one that helped the systems flow nicely at Raymond James, specifically in the recruiting process. This consists of analytics projects, recruiting tools, and projection tools. So I typically work 8 to 4. My interests outside of work consist of fishing, hunting, outdoors, being on the water, and watching sports. My team generally does a team lunch every week, and it could be a new restaurant or one of our favorites, and it's a great time to catch up and chat with each other. My favorite thing about my job is working in an Excel. I love how Excel takes numbers and makes them easily digestible, while also making sense of large data sets and helping everybody understand it all together. I think my job's the best because you get to see so many parts of a moving process, whether that's the cold callers, the recruiters, the transitions teams, or all these departments that we work with. There's so many different parts of Raymond James that you get to see, so it's easy to know which way you want to take your career.